Hey everyone, this is Guy from Wanderlust&free. In today's video, we're actually taking a look at a backup camera that I got and I'm going to install. So just I unboxed it here and I'll go through and show you what's here. It's just one I bought off of Amazon, nothing special, but let's take a look. So this particular unit is made by Foxpark, and it's one that's magnetic. And it also has, sorry, I'm just charging it up here. You can see I just got it plugged into the wall in the USB port. And it's just charging up, the little light right there saying it's charging up. So it's a magnetic one, and it also has a solar charging capability on the top. So that's the camera itself, and then this part here tilts down. So when you install on the back of the trailer, you can tilt that down to get a better view of whatever it is you need. And it comes with a few different brackets. Sorry, I'm just put that back up. It also came with another bracket that actually has the tilt angle kind of already on it, but I don't think I need it. It says if you don't need it, don't use it, because it does give you another bracket that you can screw to your trailer if your trailer doesn't have metal walls, which I don't even know of any modern trailer that wouldn't be anything but either maybe fiberglass or possibly aluminum. I don't know if they even make any steel ones anymore. And it also comes with, if you don't want to drill it to the trailer, it comes with two different adhesive type things, but I'm still going to screw it. I don't trust that the adhesive will stick. And there's another one here somewhere. Where did it go? There's one that's a black. I've lost it somewhere. Not sure. Oh, where did I put that? Oh, I put it back in here. Sorry. It also came with a black-sided one that's self-adhesive as well. So I'm not going to use that. I'll just put it back in the case. So it comes with the dash mount unit here. So it has some adhesive so you can stick that to your dash. And then there's the monitor. I believe it's a 7.2 or something like that, with the two little antennas on the top here. And there's a cable to plug it into the cigarette lighter in your truck and connect it to the unit there. Those two would connect. There's also one here that charges into USB as well. And then there's some miscellaneous screws that go with it. And, of course, an instruction manual. So I'm going to mount the adhesive and the metal plate. I don't know if you can hear that. That's the metal plate that you put on, and then the magnet will stick. And I tested it out just before, and yes, it definitely sticks well to the magnet. So I don't have any concerns about it sticking on the magnet and holding, but I'm not really trusting that this will be sticky enough to go on the trailer and just put that on it and not worry about that falling off. So I'm going to screw it on for sure. Alright, so I'll assemble my tools and get ready to go, and next thing you'll see me out behind the trailer putting it on. Alright, so here we are. We're just getting all set up, heading to the back of the trailer, and where we're going to install the plate onto the back of the trailer. So here we are here. I got a little, nice thing is I can just use a little step ladder, and I can get up to the top where I'm going to install the plate. So all we need is a drill. It comes with self-tapping screws and the plate. And I've actually, I know I mentioned on the previous video I wasn't going to use the black one, but it says, whoops, sorry, get my fingers out of the way. It says on the instructions for the, if you're going to mount it with the screws, the self-tapping screws, then use the black silicone pad. So I'm going to install that behind this plate here. Put those self-tapping screws and install it up there, just underneath. I got to get my fingers out of the way. Just underneath the lights. Okay. I'll check back when that's done. All right, there we are. I don't think they could have made that any easier. So I just took the the black silicone pad, and it had some adhesive on one side. I just took that adhesive off and stuck it to the trailer, and then put the plate over top of it and used the self-tapping screws and screwed right in. I'm going to go grab a screwdriver and just hand tighten. I don't want to screw it down too tight and strip those screws, so I'm going to go grab a screwdriver and just tighten those, make sure they're good and tight, and then we'll test out the camera on the plate. But yeah, all easy and all good. So there you have it, the Foxpark solar camera. I can't remember how many amp hours the battery is, but it's pretty long. It's installed onto that white plate. It's metal. This is magnetic, and like I said before, where's my hand? You can adjust the tilt angle of the camera by that. It's got the antenna there, and yeah, to take that off of there, you got to pull pretty good to get that off of there, and it snaps on pretty good too. So there we have it. Now I've got a backup camera installed on our trailer, and I'll show the part where the monitor is inside the truck, and the connection for the Bluetooth across to the truck, and how good the quality is later. Don't have the truck handy right now, but I just wanted to mount that onto the trailer so it's good to go and ready to go. And it'll be nice to have a backup camera. So thanks for watching this part of the video, and we'll see you in the next.